Lose weight with detox. The rising number of overweight and obese people in America have ushered in many diet programs that have come and gone in rapid manner. Such fad diets have claimed quick fixes and easy solutions to lose weight without starving to death in the process. But the adverse effects and results of some of these diet programs have prompted Americans to be more discerning and cautious in choosing a diet program that would best suit. Inadvertently, some individuals have undergone a seemingly endless cycle of trial and error, and some have simply too disheartened enough to try new diet programs. The idea of detoxification as a way of shedding off some extra pounds seems all too good to be true. You will not only be able to flush out the harmful toxins in your body, but you will also lose excess weight in the process. Now, this is something certainly worth trying. The combination of eliminating toxins and lose weight with detox is undoubtedly a powerful program that can promote overall wellness. The best way to lose weight with detox is to eat more cherries and strawberries, which contains ellagic acid that does not only eliminates free radicals, it also boosts the brain power. Another great tip is to drink green tea that is actually capable of burning 80 calories a day, increases metabolism, and effectively help in burning fats. Another good way to lose weight with detox is to increase the intake of water, since this will hasten the elimination of wastes from the kidney and could also significantly help in increasing the speed of the body's metabolism. It is also quite helpful to know that an average person can actually lose around 10 pounds in a year just by doubling their consumption of fiber-rich product alone. Apricots and prunes are also effective in expelling toxic wastes in the body and at the same time help in burning fat faster. Like in any other diet programs out there, in order to be able to effectively lose weight with detox, it is equally important to engage physical activities. This will help your body sweat and thereby become an inexpensive and natural means of detoxification too. A detox diet may not be able to immediately yield immediate results at first, but it will definitely be one of the most beneficial on the long-term basis. So, for a safer and healthier means of losing weight, try detoxification.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.